Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the pop-ups that are related to the website joryflat.com. This site joryflat.com is malicious. I can positively say that because this site joryflat.com displays fake edge update alerts. So people may be easily deceived by such pop-ups, and they may be forced to install some unwanted browser extensions. If you see these pop-ups by joryflat.com, don't ever trust them and don't install anything that they suggest. Such pop-ups, therefore, are fake edge update notifications. Just disregard them and leave that page. Also, such pop-ups could be the result of some adware type application to be enabled in the system. My strong recommendation is that you carefully examine your system. First of all, you definitely can research the control panel in order to uninstall any suspicious programs if you find them on the list. So if you find something unfamiliar, get rid of it. Also, I recommend that you carefully examine the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.